Ever feel like you're missing your fitness goals by a mile? Maybe it's not you, but your tracker. With so many options, how do you pick the right one? In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 fitness trackers of 2024 to help you find your perfect match. From budget-friendly bands to feature-packed watches, we'll reveal which trackers reign supreme and why. So get ready for the guesswork and level up your fitness journey. Number 5. Apple Watch Series 9. The Apple Watch Series 9 continues to set the standard in the fitness tracker market with its unparalleled health and fitness features. This iteration brings significant improvements in health monitoring, featuring advanced metrics such as ECG, electrocardiogram, blood oxygen levels, and enhanced heart rate tracking. The watch also includes fall detection and emergency SOS, which have proven to be potentially life-saving features. The comprehensive activity tracking capabilities cater to various workouts, from high-intensity interval training to yoga, making it a versatile companion for any fitness enthusiast. Its seamless integration within the Apple ecosystem sets the Apple Watch Series 9 apart. The experience is unmatched for iPhone users, with smooth connectivity allowing for easy syncing of data, notifications, and apps. This integration extends to Apple's Health app, where users can gain deeper insights into their health trends over time. Additionally, the watchOS 10 introduces a more user-friendly interface and enhanced customization options that allow users to tailor the device to their specific needs and preferences. These features collectively contribute to a superior user experience that blends functionality with ease of use. Despite its numerous advantages, the Apple Watch Series 9 has some drawbacks. One of the primary concerns for users is its battery life, which lasts around 18 hours, necessitating daily charging. This can be a minor inconvenience for those who prefer not to charge their devices daily. Moreover, the Apple Watch Series 9 is pricier than other fitness trackers, which might be a consideration for budget-conscious consumers. Number 4. Garmin Venu 3. The Garmin Venu 3 stands out for fitness enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers in 2024. This fitness tracker boasts comprehensive health and fitness features catering to casual users and serious athletes. One of its most notable attributes is its advanced sleep metrics, which provide detailed insights into your sleep quality, stages, and duration, helping you optimize your rest for better overall health. Additionally, the Body Battery Energy Monitoring feature tracks your energy levels throughout the day, allowing you to understand better when to rest and when to push yourself. The respiration tracking is another valuable tool, offering real-time data on your breathing patterns, which is particularly useful for mindfulness and stress management practices. Garmin's reputation for precise GPS tracking is well maintained in the Venu 3, making it an excellent choice for runners, cyclists, and outdoor enthusiasts. Whether navigating urban environments or exploring off-the-beaten-path trails, the Venu 3 provides accurate and reliable location data. This is complemented by a range of preloaded sports apps and workout modes that cover almost every activity, from yoga and Pilates to more demanding sports like skiing and rowing. The tracker also supports animated on-screen workouts, which guide you through exercises with clear, easy-to-follow animations, making it an excellent tool for those who prefer structured visual instructions. Battery life is another area where the Garmin Venu 3 excels. It offers up to 11 days of battery life in smartwatch mode and up to 22 hours in GPS mode, significantly reducing the need for frequent charging and making it ideal for long trips or extended outdoor activities. The Venu 3 also features a vibrant AMOLED display that is easily read in various lighting conditions, enhancing the overall user experience. Despite its many strengths, the Garmin Venu 3 has a few limitations. Its app ecosystem is more limited than the Apple Watch, and while it is packed with fitness features, it may lack some of the advanced smart features found in other brands. Nevertheless, the Garmin Venu 3 remains an exceptional choice for those who prioritize fitness and health tracking in 2024. Number 3. Fitbit Charge 6. The Fitbit Charge 6 continues to impress in 2024 as a versatile and affordable fitness tracker that caters to a wide range of users. Known for its comprehensive health metrics, the Charge 6 tracks essential data such as heart rate variability, sleep stages, stress levels, and menstrual health for female users. This makes it an excellent choice for individuals who monitor their overall health and wellness beyond just activity tracking. The device also includes a built-in GPS for accurate distance and pace tracking during outdoor activities, a notable upgrade from previous models. Fitbit's commitment to user engagement is evident through its community features and challenges on the Fitbit app. These interactive elements help users stay motivated and connected, making fitness more enjoyable and social. The Charge 6's battery life is another standout feature. It offers up to 7 days on a single charge, which is impressive compared to many other trackers in its class. This prolonged battery life ensures uninterrupted tracking and reduces the hassle of frequent charging, appealing to users who prefer low-maintenance wearables. While the Fitbit Charge 6 excels in health tracking and affordability, its design may be a consideration for some users. Unlike smartwatches, it retains a more utilitarian look, focusing primarily on functionality over style. While Fitbit's ecosystem is robust, it may not offer the same breadth of apps and integrations as platforms like Apple's watchOS or Samsung's Tizen OS. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 stands out in 2024 as a versatile and comprehensive smartwatch that excels in health tracking capabilities. Equipped with features like ECG monitoring, blood pressure tracking, and body composition analysis, it provides users with a detailed overview of their health metrics. The watch's bright AMOLED display ensures readability in various lighting conditions, making it easy to access notifications, apps, and calls directly from the wrist. Samsung has improved the battery life of the Galaxy Watch 6, offering approximately 40 hours of use on a single charge, which is a significant improvement over its predecessors and makes it suitable for extended use without frequent recharging. Despite its robust health and fitness features, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 operates on Samsung's Tizen OS, which may limit access to third-party apps compared to ecosystems like watchOS or Wear OS. This can be a drawback for users seeking a broader range of applications directly on their smartwatch. Additionally, while the battery life has seen improvement, it still requires regular charging, especially with heavy use of features like GPS tracking. Number 1. Whoop 4.0. The Whoop 4.0 stands out in the crowded fitness tracker market with its unique focus on optimizing performance and recovery. Unlike traditional fitness trackers emphasizing step counting and calorie burn, the Whoop 4.0 delves deeper into understanding the user's body by continuously monitoring heart rate variability, strain, and sleep patterns. This device is designed for athletes and fitness enthusiasts who prioritize recovery and peak performance. The Whoop 4.0's lightweight and comfortable design ensures it can be worn 24/7 without discomfort, allowing constant data collection and insights. One of the most distinctive aspects of the Whoop 4.0 is its subscription model, which provides users with continuous updates and access to a wealth of personalized data and coaching. The subscription model might seem like a drawback initially due to its ongoing cost. Still, it offers significant value through tailored recommendations and insights that adapt to the user's evolving fitness levels and goals. This approach makes the Whoop 4.0 more than just a tracker. It becomes a personal fitness coach, guiding users to make informed decisions about their training and recovery processes. The detailed analytics provided through the app help users understand their body's responses to different types of exertion and rest, fostering more effective training routines. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. If you want to see more tech reviews and fitness tips, subscribe to the channel. In the comments, let me know what kind of fitness trackers you're interested in and what features are most important to you.